How to open up a Lloyds Bank account online using your phone or your mobile. The first things first is open up any preferred web browser from your phone and then just simply type in Lloyds Bank. Now in here you'll have or you'll be able to see the first result in which you will be redirected to lloydsbanks.com's official site. Now in here all you have to do is go to the menu and then go to current accounts and then choose on classic account. Now you'll have to um, get this specific website temporarily, but the next thing you do is go to your phone home and go to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. And from here, just simply type in Lloyds Bank. Choose on the green icon right here. So you'll have to download and install Lloyd's mobile banking first. Now, once you have successfully installed Lloyd's mobile banking, go back to the browser. Now, in here, choose on Ready to Apply. Now, choose and open a new account, and the Lloyd's Bank's official site will redirect you to open up the Lloyd's mobile banking. So just simply pull up your Lloyd's mobile banking that you just downloaded earlier for us to be able to proceed and create an account. Now in here, this is going to be your Lloyds Bank Mobile's app official dashboard. Now go to open a bank account with us. And then the next thing that you will do is you just have to comply and fill out all those necessary informations that Lloyds Bank app is providing you for you to successfully create or open up an account with Lloyds Bank. So that's how you open up or create an account with Lloyds Bank account online and mobile.